Today we'll be looking at the Galveston Orientation and Amnesia Test. This test is looking at the patient's ability in the subacute phase. There are several questions in this test. Each question must be scored, noting the number of errors. For example, question 1, you must give your first name and last name. If your name is John Smith and you indicated my name is John, there's an error score of 1. If you give the day, month, and year of your birthday, you will receive a score of 0. In fact, there is no error occurring. Note down on this question, what month is it? There are 5 points for each month. If you have 5 points times 12 months and you score several errors on this form, you can actually have a negative outcome number. So when you finished asking each question, indicate the total number of errors here. Take 100 points minus the total number of errors, and this will be the score for your patient. Finally, to see where your patient is, look at the outcome. 76 to 100 is normal. 66 to 75 indicates borderline. Less than 66 is impaired. Make sure when giving the test you indicate all of the patient information. Good luck!